Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences using the tool we're discussing today. Today, we're looking at MapMyRun, a popular platform for tracking your runs and other fitness activities. MapMyRun allows you to monitor various metrics related to your workouts, providing valuable insights into your performance. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting your fitness journey, this app offers a range of features to help you reach your goals. It's a great tool for recording your routes, analyzing your pace, and monitoring distance covered. MapMyRun leverages GPS technology to accurately track your movement in real time, giving you precise data about your workout. Beyond simply recording your activities, MapMyRun also provides tools to help you improve. You can set personal goals, join challenges, and even connect with a supportive community of other runners. The social aspect of the platform can be incredibly motivating, offering encouragement and a sense of shared purpose. Furthermore, MapMyRun offers integration with various other fitness apps and devices, allowing you to streamline your workout data and maintain a comprehensive overview of your progress. This interconnectivity makes it a central hub for all your fitness tracking needs. Using MapMyRun is generally straightforward. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and access the information you need. From logging your runs to analyzing your performance metrics, the platform is designed with simplicity in mind. While the core functionalities are readily accessible, MapMyRun also offers a deeper level of customization for those who want to delve into more advanced features. This flexibility makes it suitable for both casual runners and those looking for a more comprehensive training tool. Consider giving MapMyRun a try if you're seeking a robust and versatile platform to track and enhance your fitness journey.